Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have brought 3D pattern for you. You can use this pattern in sweaters, cardigans, caps as well as in shawls and jacket. You can use this pattern in any projects. From front side this pattern look like this, and from back side it look like this. For this pattern I have used basic cast on and I have completed 2 rows of knit and purl. For this pattern we need to cast on multiple of 8 stitches plus 3 stitches to complete the pattern, and this is only 4 rows pattern. So let us start now friends. For demonstration I have taken 19 stitches, 8 plus 8 and plus 3 stitches to complete the pattern, and this pattern starts from wrong side. This is my wrong side. Now let us start row 1. For row 1, slip first edge stitch and then purl all stitches. This is our last edge stitch which we have to purl it. Here we have completed our first row. Now let us start our second row. This is right side of our pattern. First edge stitch we have to slip it and then purl 2 stitches, 1 and 2. From here our repeat pattern starts. Slip 5 stitches with yarn in back and then bring yarn in front and again slip 5 stitches on left needle. Now take yarn to back side, slip same 5 stitches, again yarn in front and slip 5 stitches on left needle. Now yarn in back, slip 5 stitches on right needle, yarn in front, slip 5 stitches. We have to repeat this procedure for 3 times. Slip 5 stitches on right needle. Now bring yarn in front and purl 3 stitches. Here we have completed our first repeat pattern. From here we have to repeat these 8 stitches till the end of the row. Now purl last 3 stitches. Here we have completed our second row. Let us start our third row from wrong side. Slip first stitch and then purl all stitches. Here our third row is completed. Now let us start our fourth row from right side. Slip first stitch and then purl 2 stitches, 1 and 2. From here we will start our repeat pattern. For that, knit 2 stitches and then third stitch, knit with extra yarns from bottom and then knit. Again pass knit stitch from extra yarn and then knit remaining 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Now purl 3 stitches. Here our first repeat pattern is completed. Repeat these 8 stitches till the end of the row. Here we have completed our fourth row. Repeat these 4 rows over and over until you reach your desired length. After few repeats, our pattern will look like this. If you liked this video, please don't forget to hit thumbs up icon, and if you are visiting my channel for first time, click on the subscribe and bell icon to be notified of my upcoming videos. Thank you.